guys, welcome to our YouTube channel again. So today we're going to show you how to use a leaf blower to blow some snow. As you can see, we have about a little less than 2 inches of snow on the ground. It's too little to bring out the heavy equipment, but still it's enough that we want to clean it because otherwise it will be slippery and people will fall. So we're going to show you how you could use your leaf blower to quickly clean out your walkway and driveway. Two things to keep in mind when you're using a blower. First thing is make sure you go out relatively quickly. You don't want the stuff to melt, then it's going to be more difficult to blow. And the second thing is don't drive on the snow or walk on the snow, because if you compact the snow down with your walking or your driving, then the blower won't get that out. Then you're going to need a shovel. So as you'll see, we have a pretty big walkway and driveway. Typically takes about an hour to shovel. So you're going to see how quicker the blower can do. So let's get it started, okay? Let's see how this works. Get my gloves on first. And let's give it a whirl. So you can see that worked pretty well. I cleaned out this place because then I'm going to blow this snow out so I can walk over here. So you can take a look at the driveway and up to the steps. That probably took me about a minute or less to get that. So cleaner than a shovel, quicker, as quick as a snow blower. So I'm gonna do the rest of this and then I'll come back with the video and clean it all up. But this is pretty much how it works. So just wanted to finish up the video and show you some of the stuff that didn't really work well. Remember I said you have to get the snow when it's dry. So here, when I was blowing the driveway, as you can see, if you could get this way too, yeah, it didn't work that well. So you look at the ground, it's all wet. We're going to show you a little bit of the snow here. So you can see it does work, but it's a lot more difficult, and it really would take me too much time to do it. At this point, probably a shovel or something else would work better. But as you can see, the driveway, take a look at the driveway, that was nice and dry and powdery, so that worked really well. You can show the driveway way over there. You see the driveway worked really well, because it was, as you can see, fully powdery. So maybe next time need to come out a little quicker, but other than that, you know, this is a good tool to use as well.